Today, I want to talk to you about how you can start your own online business using Walmart. That's right, I want to talk to you about how you can get a business off the ground, and it starts by going to Walmart. In today's video, I'm going to break it down for you so that you can see how easy it is that you can start making money online, and you can do it by going to one of the biggest retailers in the world today, and you can make a lot of money from going to Walmart. My name is John McFall, and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel, where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make online income. Today, I want to talk to you about what we call retail arbitrage. And what retail arbitrage means is you go to places like Walmart and you go into their clearance sections and you find little, nuggets of gold in those clearance sections that you can get to sell online to make a profit. The industries today, the retail market is just oversaturated with products. They bring in so many products into the store, and a lot of times after a while that they have inventory that's been sitting on their shelves and they haven't sold it, they will discount these products tremendously so that they can get them off their shelves and they can bring in other stuff that people are going to possibly buy. So when you go to Walmart, most every Walmart has a clearance section, and it's just chock full of things that you can go through and you can buy so that you can sell them online on different platforms like eBay or Amazon or Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. There's a lot of different venues that you can get on to sell things. And the great thing about going to the clearance racks is a lot of times they have high quality brand name stuff and they are selling it at a huge discount. So how do you take advantage of this? The best way to get into this is to go into the clearance sections and have Amazon open on your phone. The great thing about Amazon is they have a scanner feature. When you go into a store like Walmart, you can go in there and hit the scanner and you can actually scan the barcodes on each of the products that are in any retail store, and Amazon will pull them up automatically for you. So kind of what the scenario is you go into a place like Walmart here and you go into their clearance section and you just start scanning the products. When you scan them on Amazon, you can see what they are selling for on Amazon. You can also see how many people are buying those products. So let's say you go to the clearance section, you find something, you scan it, you can take a look on Amazon to see how popular it is and to see what price it's selling for. So when you do this, you can take a look at the clearance price and you can see if you can make a decent profit on it. And a good thing about Walmart, when they put stuff on the clearance racks, if they have 10 or 20 of these items, you can buy all of them at a discounted clearance price. So if you find a good product that's selling very well on Amazon, you can also do this on eBay, but you can pick up multiple of these products and you can buy them at a huge discount and then go online and sell them on the online platforms, and you can make a really good profit at it. So this is kind of the basic way that you do it. You go to the clearance rack, you just kind of look through everything in that clearance rack and start picking out those items that you see that you can sell and make a good profit from them. One of the biggest benefits of starting your business this way is let's say you have only $20 to start your business with. You have only $20 that you can invest into your business. The great thing about doing retail arbitrage is you can walk in there with $20 and you can find stuff to buy buy that is going to cost that $20 or less, and then what you can do is you can sell those products and then you get your return on that. Let's say it turns into $30 and you can go back into the clearance racks and you can buy $30 worth of stuff and go sell that, and then that turns into $60 and you can go back in to the clearance racks and find more stuff. My point is you can start with very little money if you go with retail arbitrage, and over time you can build that money up, and if you just reinvest the profits that you're making on the items that you're finding in the clearance racks, over time you can find that you're making a substantial amount of money because you've reinvested it into more inventory, which means that you're making more profit and able to start taking money out of that profit to put in your pocket. So if you don't have a lot of money to start something, this is a great way that you can get into business and start it for yourself. I hope that I taught you a lot today. The great thing about this retail arbitrage is you can go into Walmart here, but you can also go into Kohl's, you can go to TJ Maxx, you can go to Burlington, you can go to places like Best Buy and all these different places, and over time you can find really good places to do retail arbitrage at. Once you start making a lot of money, you can also step up your game and you can go to places like Macy's, and they have clearance sections. I've walked into Macy's and went to their purse section, and I saw that they were selling purses that cost $400 or $500, and they were selling them for let's say $100 or $110. So you can get into bigger things as you are starting to make a profit, and you can actually make a lot more money. So want to remind you that down here in my description I have some great tools for you guys. The one I want to talk about is Stash. If you want to start putting money away so that you have some money set aside for when you get older, if you want to have a little bit of a nest egg and you want to build it, Stash is a great place that you can go to, and you can get started investing into stocks, into funds, so that you can start getting some truly passive income going, and you can have a place that's going to make you a little bit more money than you would in a typical bank account. And what you can do is you can start Stash for as little as $5, and you can start by putting only $5 a month in and start working on building yourself up a nest egg. I do want to say that if you use the link down in my description, I do get a commission if you sign up for and open an account with Stash. But the great thing about Stash is you can start small, and then as you get more money coming in, you can increase what you're putting in to put away. I'd also like to ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Finally, I want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.